Hello everyone, welcome on Keyapp YouTube channel. Finally, it's Friday, and as usually we go with our new episode talking about ways to skyrocket the traffic to your application. And first of all, we would like to talk about implementation of a referral program. And if you are going to use this way for your application, you need to determine clear aims you would like to achieve. For example, the increase of the number of users, the increase of retention rate, the boost of engagement, or with the aim to drive more sales. At the same time, try to offer compelling rewards both for the referrers and for the new users coming to your application to increase the level of participation. For example, consider different features like credit, discount, some rewards, some exclusive features, and so on. Also, it is recommended to make it easy for users to refer new users to your application or to your game. You may use QR codes, or you may use this specially generated link in your application so to make it easy for everyone to use the program. And of course, when we are talking about mobile marketing, we talk about social media marketing as well. And if your application has pages on Facebook, Instagram, if it has its own website, try to promote your referral program as much as you can, as much as possible, so to show your existing users that it is really convenient and profitable for them to use the referral program. In such a way, you will be able to generate more new users, and of course, your existing users will be increased in loyalty. The next way to drive the traffic to your application is, of course, the gamification process. If to check some research, it is possible to say that the implementation of gamification features actually increase the user retention rate. Talking about this method, it is possible to say that, like with the referral program, if you are going to implement this way, first of all, it is needed to determine specific objectives you would like to achieve through gamification, such as the increasing of user retention rate, driving app usage frequency, or some promotion of some specific features. And clarifying your goals will guide the design and implementation of gamification elements. At the same time, try to conduct user research to gain insights into your target audience preferences, interests, and motivation in general. Identify what types of game mechanics, challenges, rewards they would like, and they will use so to increase the retention rate. Of course, foster social interactions and competition among users by implementing multiplayer features, social sharing options, collaborative challenges, or some community forums. Enable users to connect with friends, compare different achievements, and actually show the progress they achieve with your gamification features. In such a way, you will considerably increase the retention rate of your application, and you will be able even to generate new users, as actually remember that users like to read positive reviews, they can share the thoughts about the apps or games, and in such a way, your app reputation, your brand name will increase in loyalty as well. And the next way to drive the traffic to your application is the collaboration with influencers. Of course, we do understand that it is a kind of non-standard way to increase the user base, but still it is possible to use this way of promotion so to increase the number of downloads your application or your game has. First of all, when you're going to work with influencers, with bloggers, it is needed to make sure that you choose the right one according to the audience they have. If you're talking about the games, this task may be not so difficult, as we know that there are a lot of influencers, a lot of bloggers who talk about games on YouTube, on TikTok, and so on. But still, even if you have the application, it is possible to use this way. Like, let's imagine that you have therapy application, and in such a way you can collaborate with influencer on Instagram. But when you're going to work with influencers, do not forget to craft compelling collaboration offers, so to make sure that this offer will be discussed and actually the influencer will be ready to work with your application. Of course, we do understand that it is a kind of non-standard way, but still, as any other marketing action, this way of promotion should be measured and should be evaluated according to the results you get. For example, you can provide this special link or the special code, so the audience of the particular influencer use them to reach your application or to download your application directly from the store, and in such a way you will be able to evaluate the increase of the user base. The next way is, of course, the way we talk almost in all the videos, and it is about App Store optimization. Yeah, it is possible to say that for now it is a kind of standard way to increase the traffic for your application, for your game, but still we can say that not all app developers pay a lot of attention to App Store optimization and try to get kind of paid user acquisition instead of traction of organic traffic. Still, it is needed to remember that App Store optimization consists of keyword research, text metadata optimization, visuals optimization, the working with app reputation, and of course, keyword promotion. And using this way of promotion, your application or your game will be able to achieve top positions in the search, and in such a way the visibility of the application will increase and more users will download the app, and in such a way the conversion rate, the retention rate will increase for your application or for your game. And combining all these processes, all these methods, you will be able to promote your application from different perspectives. Like here you work with social media, here you work with App Store optimization, and actually you get the traffic from all the possible services. Of course, when we're talking about App Store optimization, we would like to remind that we have free App Store optimization tools to make the work with keywords easier. And using our tools at Keyapp platform, you can gather the keywords for your application, you can check the positions, the keywords popularity, the approximate keyword traffic, and so on, as well as you can check the suggested keywords for any search request both on Google Play and App Store. And using these tools at our platform will make the process of keyword research really easier, faster, and more convenient both for app developers and app marketers. At the same time, do not forget that we provide keyword promotion and we are ready to help your application to achieve top positions in the search in any possible country. If you would like to make your application successful, to analyze the keywords, to make sure that the application gets top ranks for different search requests in different countries, contact our support team or your personal manager, and we will be extremely happy to share all the secrets and create the strategy for your application to make it visible.